Guys, so this video gonna show you how I program my Arduino and Android, and so these two guys can send and receive data from each other. So first, I'm using MIT App Inventor to do this, and let's do a quick demo of what is it about, and then I'll teach you how to do the programming later. Okay, connect with code. Okay, so this is the interface that I did in App Inventor, and when I press activate, it will send a character to activate an event in my Arduino program, and at the same time Arduino will send back a text saying that yeah, I got it, and then it gives me a feedback that I actually activate something. So at first I need to connect to the Bluetooth adapter that I have. Connect Bluetooth. So when the red light stops blinking means I'm connected. Alright, so I've connected and I've programmed my App Inventor that I will send a character A to activate an event, and then the event will send back number 1 back to Android. So here it is. Yes, I'm getting number 1. So and at the same time, when the button is deactivated, it will send a character B to my Arduino, and it will send back number 2 back to my Android. Yes, I'm doing that. Okay, so notice when I do this, I also program my LED to blink for half a second to show that I'm indeed activating something from my Arduino. This could be used to activate a relay to power a motor by using your mobile app. So in this program, there are some of the key things that you need to remember when you program your Bluetooth. So the trick that I do here is I have my delimiter byte, which I set to 35. 35 in RC table is actually a hash key. Let's see. Yep. So this is a hash key. So with the decimal 35. And I will explain later why I use this in my Android code, Arduino code, sorry. But let me show you what's all Android code about. So when Android sending text, you need to use this block, send text, and you set A to activate the first event. And then this is the data 1 that you send to the code, and number 19 is the acknowledge format for this Bluetooth communication. While you receive text from Arduino, I set number of byte to -1, which means the Android will actually read the string down to the last bit, which is at the -1 position, and eventually you read a hash to know where should it stop reading. And yeah, so these are the main thing that you should do when you program your App Inventor. And in Android code, so what I do here is I first, of course, you declare event. So I register function. I have on event A and off event B. So when I click activate, it actually sends A, and yep, so the on event will be activated. And then once I activate this event, I will print X, which is in here I have a get integer. After I receive 1 from Android, X becomes 1, and then I send back number 1 back to my Android, as you can see in the previous demo. And then at the same time, I will do my onboard LED lights up for half a second. So that goes to number 2. The second event, we do the same thing. And you notice after I sending a feedback data like y equals to 2 for this instant, I will also send back the hash as for my delimiter byte to know that hey, the data has finished sent, please acknowledge. So yeah, so this is what I have done in the program to achieve the communication between Android and Arduino. Thank you.